Hello! Happy Friday everyone! So, sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, ayan, so, still open for enrollment po yung ating Computer Secretarial Training course and of course, yung ating Office Management course sa mga gustong magkaroon ng Office Management skills. Ayan, so, open for enrollment yung ating Saturday batch. Ayan, so, few seats left na lang, kaya habol na kayo sa enrollment po sa ating Office Management course. Sa mga gustong magkaroon ng skills sa Office Management, ito yung course na para sa inyo. Pero kung kayo is gustong magkaroon ng computer skills, which is magagamit nyo siya for office application ninyo, so meron tayong computer secretarial training course and ito ay integrated na rin siya with artificial intelligence. Okay? So, today's Friday, so papasilip ko sa inyo yung classroom natin. So, of course, kasi kailangan natin na kailangan namin ipapakita sa inyo yung classroom natin. So, ito yung main classroom natin. Okay, but before that, meron tayong classroom dito for our Diploma in Health and Social Care students. So, silipin natin sila. Papasilip ko lang sa inyo. Ayan, so yung class natin. Okay. So, yan. Hello po, good morning.
Hello everyone. Ito lang kayo, kayo matakot sa mga, hindi po, ano po to, may barrier yung Panasonic.
May pananggayan.
Opo.
Okay.
Alam po nilang Japanese ang naggawa nito, di po nila isasama sa mga.
Ayan, so ito yung class natin for Diploma in Health and Social Care. Meron silang topic niyan. Thank you po! So, dito na tayo kasi nga, serious yung kanilang discussion. So, nakikidisturb lang tayo doon. Okay? So, now, we have this, our Computer Secretarial Training course. So, tulad nga yung sinabi ko kanina, yung Computer Secretarial Training course natin, ito yung kakailangan natin, yung computer skills once tayo is magtrabaho sa office work. So, like for example, magtatrabaho ka as receptionist, kailangan mo ng computer skills. Magtrabaho ka admin assistant, kailangan mo ng computer skills from Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Of course, kasi admin assistant or office assistant, lalo na sa marketing, ayan, so mga marketing executives or mag-virtual assistant kayo kasi virtual assistant yan is super in demand na. So, of course, meron din tayong graphics designing course. So, dito naman sa graphics designing course, from Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, and Canva, and so matutunan nyo dito sa ating graphics designing and integrated na rin siya with artificial intelligence. Okay? So, 3 months to 4 months, matatapos natin yung course po from Computer Secretarial and Graphics Designing and of course, Office Management. So, ito yung ating classroom. Nandito yung mga students natin, nag-attend sila ng classes. Ayun, so kagandahan dito sa ating Computer Secretarial Training course kasi flexible yung schedule ng klase. Anytime na available kayo, pwede kayong mag-join. As long as na office hours namin, pwede tayong mag-attend ng 2 hours to 4 hours per class session kung once a week lang yung day off natin. Pero kung tayo is available 2 times a week or 3 times a week, 2 hours per class session po yan. Okay. So, yun yung ano natin, Microsoft Excel. Okay. And this side also, ayan, so multimedia and motion graphics or video editing course. And this one is Microsoft Excel. It's part of our, Computer Secretarial Training course. So, they're doing their exercises right now. So, anyone can enroll here in ICC. So, kahit anong nationality natin, as long as meron tayong desire na matuto, ayan, so pwede tayong mag-enroll dito sa ICC. So, this one naman is Microsoft Word. So, part sa project natin is gagawa tayo ng CV. So, magiging professional kayo kung paano gagawin yung CV. So, of course, kasi meron ng mga ATS-friendly CV po ngayon, no? So, kailangan yung matutunan yun, paano ba gumawa ng professional CV. Kasi once nag-a-apply din tayo, kailangan natin na mag-submit ng CV natin na napaka-ATS-friendly din siya. And maganda din yung design, okay? So, her naman is AutoCAD 2D and 3D. So, napaka-exciting din yung part ng AutoCAD 2D and 3D po, no? Kasi dito gagawa tayo ng architectural planning. Okay? So, sa mga gustong maging interior or exterior designer, so, yung una nating kailangan pag-aralan is about AutoCAD 2D and 3D. Ayan. So, gumagawa si Sir ng mga plans. Okay? So, meron din siyang measurements, of course. Kasi dapat pag mag-interior exterior designing ka, alam mo kung paano yung mga sukat. So, of course, hindi rin siya mawala na dapat, pag mag-computer secretarial tayo, dapat meron tayong typing master skills din. Okay? So, this side is yung mga boys and the other side is mga girls. So, okay, yan. Diba? Ang galing. Ang galing ng mga gawa nila. Okay, so yun. For more details, para malaman ninyo kung paano mag-enroll dito sa ICSA, pwede nyo kaming i-message directly sa aming WhatsApp number, +965-9930-2850, para malaman niyo yung mga courses offered namin. So, ang dami namin mga courses offered po, no? From computer secretarial training course, office management course, graphics designing, video editing course, AutoCAD 2D and 3D, SketchUp, ayan, 3D Studio Max. Meron din tayong English enhancement with IELTS review sa mga gustong mag-migrate ng Canadaan, kailangan nila ng English test. Ayan, so meron tayong preparation course for exam ng inyong IELTS po, no? Sa mga gustong magpunta ng Europe kung kailangan nyo ng IELTS exam. So, join na tayo sa ating English enhancement with IELTS review. Within 1 month lang po yan yung review natin, of course. So, meron tayong programming, web development, and web designing. Okay, so yun, comment down below na interested or message us directly in our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much everyone, and this is Miss Rochelle of ICSA, your partner in success.